Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your daily midday market minute. It's exciting. We see a little bit of volatility here today. The S&P, U.S. benchmarks, they're all pulling back. We've held a pretty neutral bias over the past week to 2 weeks. Just kind of not sure what the market wants to do, and like we talked about too, it's just sort of melted up last week, new record highs, but I think the S&P was only up about 0.5% after 4 consecutive record high days. Ultimately, this is healthy, and we got several layers of technical support to look at in the S&P. They're on the Morning Express, but they're right around 4,400. Take a look at that Morning Express. There's 2 layers of major 3-star support there. If we start breaking through there, say 43.94, then we can see some additional selling, maybe a 1% more down into some of those recent lows that we had a couple weeks back. So this is healthy. NASDAQ too, responding to its major 3-star support, 14,850, 14,870. Market turned on a dime in front of that yesterday, but tested more into there today. We have Fed Chair Powell getting going here in his town hall. What it's going to be most closely, what you watch most closely, is the questions. What questions come at the end or through it from journalists, and you know they're going to drive at him and try and get some sort of lean in on the taper. Is it going to, is there, they talk about something in Jackson Hole? Is it going to come in September? We're going to try and get some clues there. That's what's going to drive markets from Fed Chair Powell. He's getting going right now, 12:30 Central Time. As for crude oil, it is lower too, but holding ground decent. Good response yesterday. Listen, OPEC Plus came out yesterday and said that they don't want to bring production back, even though the White House asked for it. I think that's something very important to kind of keep an eye on and watch. OPEC wants higher prices, and that's one of the reasons why we remain bullish. And like I mentioned, there's a lot of support levels to lean on here in crude oil. So far, 65 is holding, so we'll see how that looks. 66.80, 66.50 is an area that the market's kind of tethered to so far today. Inventory data tomorrow. There is some draw expectations. We could see, a broader risk off in crude oil hold ground or trade higher with the bullish inventory reports. Keep that in mind. Now, as for the metals, gold, silver, platinum, all lower. We talked about platinum yesterday, 1020, 1030 being a sell area. Gold moving down into that support, 1785. That is underpinning the price action right now. Silver just got its neck above some key resistance early today, stopped in front of major 3-star resistance, and everything's lower. It's about the dollar. The dollar is trying to break out again. Can it close out above 93.25, 93.5? And for a true breakout, you got treasuries as well, not even budging much. The treasury complex not moving higher as the equity market is retreating. That's also something that could weigh on the metals. That continues. Give us a call. We're here to talk. Anything on the board, 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It is not suitable for all investors.